Let's do a quick check of the markets yet again. We've got Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre over at the interactive board. A lot of big movers on the back of Jay Powell's speech over at Jackson Hole.
Yes, we did. It was, 7-8 minutes, and we got some fireworks. And let's check out the Wi-Fi Interactive. You can see the NASDAQ down the most. That is down 2.5%. And let's get a check of the intraday price action right now. Actually, let's do a two-day view. This is going to show us as well. So we did have a brief dip, then we got up to break even. This was on the Powell speech at 10 a.m., but it was quickly over, and markets sold off on the news. And I just want to show you what's happened on a longer-term chart. This is a 3-month chart of the S&P 500. We have now taken out the lows for the week, and we are at the lowest point in several weeks. So this is kind of looking like a top right here. We'll have to see what comes of it. But I just want to show you some comments from the street. Bloomberg compiled these, and we have quite a few. This is coming from Winthin, and he is a global head of currency strategy at Brown Brothers Harriman. He says that was short and straight to the point. No doubt should remain that the Fed is nowhere close to stopping its drive to lower inflation. Swaps market is pricing higher odds of 4% terminal rate. It's 4.5%. And I think that is likely to continue. It's no coincidence that Fed officials keep bringing up Paul Volcker. The implications are clear. By the way, Paul Volcker at the very first Jackson Hole conference back in 1982. Also want to get to Quincy Crosby. She is a friend of the show from LPL Financial. The initial knee-jerk reaction came from the algorithms. Now traders are back to where they thought Powell would go this morning, underscoring price stability and the path to get there. So let me just show you what the VIX is doing. Still somewhat elevated off the lows from a few days ago. We're going to check out a 3-month chart there. You can see right back up to the highs of earlier this week. And then let's check out the bond market. Actually, pretty muted reaction in bonds. We can see the 5-year up about 4 basis points, the 10-year up 1 basis point, and the 30-year that is down 1 basis point. Finally, looking at the sector action today, we can see everything in the red, utilities in the lead, tech, consumer discretionary, and communication services and materials. All of those are down more than 2%, Akiko.
Okay, Jared Blikre, thanks so much for that. We're going to continue our Jackson Hole coverage on the other side. Heading back out there.